Hi, I'm George. Today I'm gonna show you an update about my mango that I tried to grow from seed and germinated. Just in that video I will put the link in the corner. I put it, the seed, the mango seed, I put in this aluminum foil and just germinated. Nice update, and let's see how looking, and also I have to plant it in this container, and let's do that. I'm so happy that germinated. I planted in February and now it's in April. Yes, end of March. And let's see what is there. Here we go. Let's see. As you can see there, we can see roots. And let's see, there will start to grow from there, as you can see. And I will plant in the soil and hope will grow nice. The roots are good, I think. 2 roots, as you can see there. Amazing. Now let's plant it. So I will use this potting soil. I mixed it with sand a little, and it's very good. I hope mango will grow nice in this soil. So that's it, I will put in this container. Let's do it. Now let's put the mango with roots, so hope will grow nice. And now I will add soil above. Now I will water it, not too much, and we're waiting for grow. So I'm finished to planting this mango. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day and greetings from Moldova. I'm George and see you next time. Bye bye.